Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to revise chapter number 9, Views in PowerPoint. As we had already learned that there are 5 views in PowerPoint. We can view our presentation in 5 different ways. First one is normal view. Second, slide sorter view. Third, notes page view. Number 4, reading view. And number 5 is slideshow view. All these are the different views in which we can view our presentation. First, we will learn about normal view. Normal view is the by default view. That means whenever we open PowerPoint, we get the slide, we view the slide in a normal view. This is the main view in which we create and design our presentations. We insert the text, we insert images, insert audios, videos, whatever you want to insert on a slide, and what animations you want to add, or you can add the transitions. All the effects that you want to create in a presentation are created in this normal view. This view is divided into 3 parts. That means the screen of the normal view is divided into 3 parts or 3 sections. Slide and outline pane on the left hand side, slide pane in the middle, and the notes pane at the bottom. These are the 3 sections of the normal view. Next is slide sorter view. It's a very useful view. In this view, displays the miniature form of all the slides. That means we can view all the slides of the presentation together on one screen, because all the slides are displayed in a small thumbnail view. In a small size, all the slides are displayed in a full screen. So we can view all the slides of a presentation together in one screen. In this view, we can do 3 tasks. 1, we can insert new slides if we want. And if we want to delete some extra slides, we can select the slide and delete them. And we can also change the order of slides. That means we can rearrange the slides. All these 3 things, that means inserting, deleting, and changing the order of slides, can also be done in normal view. That means in normal view and slide sorter view, these are the 2 views in which you can do these 3 tasks. In all other views, you cannot insert the slides, delete slides, or change the order of slides. Next is notes page view. This view is very specifically used only to add or view notes for each slide. That means if we want to add some extra notes that will not be displayed on the slide, we can add notes. That means these notes will help the speaker to give presentation. These are the extra points that we can also give the printouts of those points or those notes page to the audience. Reading view. Reading view is very useful when you want to view the presentation as a slideshow. But this slideshow doesn't run on a full screen mode. This slideshow runs within a window. That means title bar and status bar are displayed in the window and the slideshow runs in between them. Slideshow view. This is the view in which all the slides are displayed in a sequential manner in the full screen mode. That means all the slides are displayed one by one on full screen with all the animations and transitions that we apply. This is the view in which we can display the slides that will be available to the audience. There are 3 ways to run the slideshow. 1. We can press the F5 key from the keyboard to run the slideshow. Second, we can also click on the slideshow button on status bar. And the third one is slideshow tab. Click on the slideshow tab and choose the from beginning option. All these 3 methods can be used to view the slideshow. You can use any one of them. Next, we will learn there are 2 ways to switch between the views. There are 5 views. You can switch from one view to another. We can go from normal view to the slide sorter view, from the slide sorter view to the notes page view, or to the notes page view to the normal view. We can switch between the views by using two methods. One, you can click on the view tab and choose the presentation views group. In this group, you will find all the view options and you can choose any one option that you want. You can click on view tab, presentation views group, normal view or slide sorter view or reading view. You can choose any view from this group. Second is, you can find the view buttons on the status bar on the right hand side. Along with the zoom slider, you will find the view buttons. You can click on the required view button in which you want to switch. Next, we will learn the various shortcut keys that can be used during the slideshow. Various keys can be helpful to move from one slide to the next slide or to move from the one slide to the previous slide during the slideshow. To move to the next slide, we can use Enter, right arrow key, down arrow key, page down key or End key. You can use any one of them to move to the next slide. To move to the previous slide, we can use backspace key, left arrow key, up arrow key, page up and P. You can use any one of these keys to move from one slide to the previous slide during the slideshow. And if you want to end the slideshow or cancel the slideshow before finishing or in between, you can press the escape key. Or you can also use the Control plus break key combination can be used to cancel the slideshow. Two ways to delete a slide. If there are some extra slides you do not want, you can delete them by using any one of these methods. Number one, you can select the slide in either in normal view or slide sorter view. In both of the views, you can select the slide. Select the slide and press delete key from the keyboard. Second method is again right click on the slide that you want to delete either in normal view or in slide sorter view and then choose delete slide option from the shortcut menu. When we right click on the slide, a shortcut menu will appear. Choose delete slide option. How we can change the order of slides? We can change the order of slide by selecting the slide again in either in normal view or slide sorter view. These are the two views in which you can delete or change the order of slides. Then drag the slide to a desired location, either before or after or left and right. You can move the slides to the left or to the right or up or down, and you can change the order by dragging the slide to a new location. Now learn all these question answers, revise the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.